Are the water quality standards in state law? I thought that the EPA permits were just incorporating obligations that already existed in state law. Yeah. Am I wrong about that?
I think that's not quite correct, Your Honor. The water quality standards set the goal for the water body, but they aren't self-executing. They have to be put into a permit. And what 301B1C requires is that EPA meet and implement the water quality standards, which means translating them into a permit limitation.
I know, but
can follow.
Isn't EPA, I thought the statute allowed for any more stringent limitation, including those necessary to meet water quality standards, treatment standards, or schedules of compliance established pursuant to any state law. So California has established certain water quality standards. Are those independently binding on the cities and municipalities in California?
They are not binding. They are only binding as a permit limitation. And that's the problem here is that they're only binding.
You have to have permits under state law so that they get bound. You get bound through the state permitting process then.
The permit issue here is issued by...
No, I understand, but I'm just, I guess my big problem is that I'm trying to understand why you find these permit provisions so onerous or problematic when they seem to just incorporate standards that already exist under state law that you would have to follow anyway.
The standards are not self-executing, so we don't have to follow them anyway. They set the goals for the water body, but they're not limitations on us themselves. So they are not binding on us.
Ms. Sealy.